Okay, so I forgot to put this in the intro, but I am posting on Saturday today, like the last video I posted on Wednesday. I said I wouldn't be posting a video today because I'm posting a video tomorrow for my birthday take, but change of plans, I owe it to you guys. I haven't been posting in forever, like I've been posting and then stop posting, and then so I owe it to you guys, so that's why I'm posting today. And hopefully I can film more for you guys, and let's just get into the intro. Hey guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be doing my everyday summer makeup routine. I do not do makeup every day because I babysit a lot really early in the mornings, and I don't have time to wake up extra early and put on makeup on. But if I do, if I'm just going shopping with my mom or doing really nothing, I'll practice doing makeup or whatever, but I don't do a lot of eyeshadow or something. So this is like the makeup routine where I would, like today I went shopping with my mom and got a new camera, so I just wore my makeup and I'll do that makeup routine, and I'll show you guys my new camera. I'm super excited. It's a flip screen too, so I can see myself. It's really cool. But yeah, anyway, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, this is my new camera. What? And then there's a flip screen. Hi guys, I really like this camera. It's super cool, and it's a 40x zoom, so it's a really cool camera. Okay, so first I will start off with concealer, and I just use the Age Rewind. This is a very good concealer, very good. So I'm just gonna apply that. I usually just do it under my eyes. And I always don't use foundation because I kind of don't need it. So I don't wear foundation. Sometimes I'll use foundation, my mom's foundation, but not all the time. And then if girls get pimples, so if I have pimples or whatever, I'll just use this BB cream, and then I'll put it wherever I have pimples, so I can cover that up. I don't have pimples right now, but I'm gonna write an E for Elvis, so who cares? I love Elvis. And then Tree Hill. I'm so weird. I'm just gonna blend it in now. So now I use this, just powder, whatever. And then sometimes I'll use, not this one, I'll use this Pure one too, and I'll just take a brush and put that on my face. So if I want to, I can go in with another powder thing right here, but I'm not going to do that. Now sometimes I'll do this, sometimes I won't, but with my rose gold palette from Ulta, I'll grab this looking white color right here, and I'll just put that all over my lid. And actually I'm gonna get a better brush for this one, so I'm just gonna use this brush and put that one all over my lid. Okay, so I actually forgot, before I do all of this, I'll put on my primer, but I didn't because I forgot about it. So now, after putting that on my eyes, I'll just grab eyebrow thing and then just fix those eyebrows up so they're not messy. And then I'll go in with my Tarte mascara and just put that on. I do not put eyeliner on because eyeliner kind of takes me like probably 2 minutes to do. So, and if I am going shopping or whatever, I don't want to do eyeliner with all that kind of stuff on, because I'm lazy sometimes. So I'm fine with this makeup look, so I do. Okay, and then I just go, okay, I cannot do that in that one. I have to do it. Okay, so this is the final look. Okay, so I don't always do this look again. I'll do it if I'm going shopping or something like that with my mom, grocery shopping or whatever like that, because I don't have time to do a whole makeup look. Or sometimes I will not even wear makeup, so. Or if like people come over, like we had a graduation party for my sister and I did this look because I did not want to put on a full face of makeup. But yeah, so this is my makeup look. Easy, took me 4 minutes to do. An easy, cute makeup look. And I usually do like 3 coats of mascara or 2 coats. But today I did 1 coat. 1 coat. Because it's already like 6:15 p.m. and I have nowhere to go. I'm just gonna edit this so I don't have to look good for anyone. Actually, I actually feel like I look better with 1 coat on. What do you guys think? Do you guys like me with 1 coat of mascara on or 3 coats? You can always look at my Instagram too or my other videos. So yeah, I'll see you at the end of the video. Did you guys like the video? Did you guys like the video? Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Oh my gosh. If you guys have any I cannot speak right now. Any video requests, just let me know, because I'll definitely do any kinds of videos that you guys want to see on my channel, and I'll definitely do those videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I love you, and make sure you guys subscribe, and peace out.